Hi there friends, Debbie here from Southern Delight. Well, I have finally finished my latest DIY project. I needed a little lounging pool, so I went and got some of these little pavers from Home Depot that were on sale. And I have got probably 58 of those. I stacked them around like you would a fire pit. And then I ordered this little pool. It's a pool. I'll drop a link below in the description box for you. It is a 63-inch and it's 12 inches high. Makes a perfect pet pool or a wading pool for somebody or for small children. It is also just great for putting your feet in. And then what's so cool about it is in the wintertime, you can actually pull the liner up and this will become a fire pit. But if you want the complete tutorial, subscribe to my channel and I will download the video for the complete tutorial on how I made this.